going to try 4 different types of chicken. We have Chowking. It's looking delicious. And we have Jollibee. We have KFC. And last, we have McDonald's. So we're going to do A, B, C, D, F, G and stuff. We're going to do that. So first, we're going to eat the Chowking since it starts with letter C.
So, meron lang tayong sasabihin sa kanila. This is not a sponsored video, as makikita niyo po. She just want to try different kinds of chicken and iba-vlog niya. And disclaimer, we have different taste, we have different perception and gusto sa food. So, this is just her taste and my taste. Kung ano yung gusto niya. Isa 4 different kind of chicken. So, first one that we're going to taste is
Chowking.
Chowking.
I never even taste Chowking chicken.
So we have we wash our hands already. So even if we don't use the utensils, our hands are clean. Okay, so go ahead, baby. You eat. Thank you for your mother nature. Who is your mother? For buying you this chicken.
Thank you.
Okay, you want rice? Okay, so how does it taste?
This is gonna be a very long video. I'm very sorry.
You want gravy?
What
Okay,
are you eating? What kind
I'm
of chicken
eating.
is that?
so, what do you think of the Chowking chicken?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. And how's the taste? Good.
So good. How was the inside?
Sa panlasa niya, good ang Chowking. Big bite.
Chicken is one of my most favorite food. Chicken is one of my most favorite food.
Crunchy. Malasa ang Chowking. Crunchy.
I'm going to save some for our family, so I'm gonna finish all these. No, we cannot.
You haven't finished this one. You're biting on the other piece already. Okay, we're gonna taste the
Jollibee one.
Jollibee kids out there.
Kids, we can share this to you.
So we have
Yeah.
spicy and the original.
I'm getting the leg.
Okay.
I like
So
the
you
leg.
show them the leg. How does it look like?
It's like our leg. It's like human's leg, but.
Okay, how does it taste? So I have the spicy. I like the spicy chicken of Jollibee. For me, I like the spicy chicken. Thank you to all the Grab drivers who delivered our chicken on time. So we ordered it at the same time. The first to arrive is Chowking because it's the store that is nearest on our place. Then followed by KFC and then McDonald's.
That's just Jollibee.
Last is Jollibee because I think I don't know, but it says on my Grab application that the rider is delivering the first order.
I can't eat chicken without gravy.
Spicy. Thank you, Kuya Grab drivers.
I literally just like took a sip of the gravy.
Our first time to do this kind of thing in front of you. So Pasensya na. If we are messy or we don't know what to do, it takes time to practice.
For the beginners.
Yeah, we are beginner. So, don't finish the chicken. You have time later. So, the next chicken that we're
KFC.
going to taste is...
KFC!
Who loves KFC? Comment down below. Okay?
If the comment is turned off, then it's fine. Just raise your hand.
Yeah, the comments is turned off pala. Sorry. Because it's a kid channel. So, to protect the kids, YouTube do the comments turned off. So, this is KFC. Ah,
I like KFC though.
Yeah.
We're in chicken heaven.
Okay.
We're in chicken heaven. Why am I always the one who's going to get the first chicken? It's good gravy. Oh no,
It's okay. You can use one gravy for all of this.
I smell ketchup.
No, there's no ketchup.
I smell ketchup.
Oh, I also like KFC. But I like the Jollibee spicy. Okay? Do you want to drink a little bit of water so that your platelet can...
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hindi ko lang. So far, what is the chicken that you like the most?
So far, I like the Jollibee one, also the KFC. Almost all of them. Okay, all the three.
Since
I
you have
have
4 chicken, you rate later. What is the first, the second, the third, and the fourth? Though, all of this chicken are really good.
It's just our opinion. If like I put something last, then it's just on our opinion.
Yeah, it's our taste. We have different tastes once again. So,
The chicken hasn't even come yet, and my mouth is getting wet already.
sarap! Chicken of KFC is really good.
I agree.
Juicy. For this 3, the juicy is KFC. Ah, messy.
Don't get too messy, but just
KFC is really good.
kind of sweet for me.
Next,
Drink
so I'm
water.
gonna drink the water.
So she's drinking water while I'm gonna show you the macdo. You can just the same as the Jollibee one.
Macdo? Jollibee?
Those two are my favorite. Yeah, put it on the side.
Wow, I can see that it's crunchy.
There's rice, so we're going to eat the rice there.
Take a bite. So it's crunchy, it's hot.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get some more.
So when the food arrived, we had to set up the table, but it's still hot. I like it. Crunchy. Crunchy. Thank you, Macdo.
It's been already 10 minutes.
Let's try it with gravy.
It tastes good with gravy. Like this.
It is.
I really feel like we're in chicken heaven right now. It tastes so good.
Okay.
Let's do the rating.
Huh?
Okay. So for you, what's the very first one?
The first is the most that I like, right?
Yeah.
The most that I like is, of course, my spicy Jollibee.
Of course.
The second is the juicy KFC. The third would be the Chowking. And the fourth is Macdo.
It's
But
just your
I
opinion,
like
okay?
them all.
Yeah.
And this is my opinion.
So for me, just the same in my first, because this is the only one who has a leg, and I only eat chicken leg. For the second, for me, is the Macdo. The KFC is my third, and the Chowking is the fourth. Like always, it's just in our opinion, but I really like the Chowking so much. It's very, very crunchy. It's the first one to taste. So yeah, that's bye.
Bye!